In this video, we will compare Shopify versus Squarespace versus Wix versus WordPress. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform designed specifically to create online stores. It offers a wide range of built-in tools for managing products, processing payments and handling shipping logistics. It's ideal for businesses focusing on selling products online. The platform is highly scalable, allowing users to grow small shops to large-scale businesses without worrying about technical limitations. Shopify offers an intuitive interface, though some customization options may require familiarity with coding. While it's excellent for e-commerce, in general websites tools are less flexible than other platforms, focusing on more store management and less on content creation or design. Squarespace, on the other hand, is a website builder known for visual stunning templates, which are particularly popular amongst creative photographers and small businesses. It offers a streamlined and easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface, making it simple for users to create professional-looking websites easily, without having a lot of technical knowledge. Squarespace also includes e-commerce tools, blogging tools and SEO tools, but it lacks its customization depth compared to most competitors. While it excels in design and ease of use, it can be somewhat limiting in the terms of advanced features, and users may find it less flexible than platforms like WordPress or Wix. It's a versatile website builder that provides both simplicity and customization options. With a drag-and-drop interface, it allows users to easily create websites without having any extensive coding knowledge. Wix offers hundreds of templates and the flexibility to fine-tune designs, making it a great option for those who want a more creative freedom than Squarespace. Additionally, Wix features an app market that allows users to extend the functionality of their websites using third-party apps. However, as the site grows, Wix can sometimes feel less efficient in managing large-scale projects, and its SEO tools are subpar compared to others like Shopify. Finally, WordPress. WordPress is an open-source platform that powers a significant percentage of websites across the world. It's incredibly versatile and offers thousands of themes and plugins and customizations to suit a whole range of needs. WordPress is ideal for users who want full control over their website functionality and design. It allows deep customization through coding and plugins. However, this level of flexibility comes at a cost. It can be overwhelming for many beginners and require ongoing maintenance, including updates and security measures. WordPress also requires a separate hosting, unlike an all-in-one solution such as Shopify or Squarespace. Overview. When comparing Shopify, Squarespace, Wix and WordPress, the right platform depends on your needs. Shopify is best suited for people who want e-commerce tools, whereas Squarespace is ideal for creative and small businesses who prioritize design. Wix strikes a balance and offers flexibility between Shopify and Squarespace. And finally, WordPress. WordPress is a go-to platform for those seeking complete control and advanced features, however, has a steep learning curve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.